Hey guys, I just got done watching a video by one of my favorite car detailing YouTube channels, Out of Spec Detailing. I really like their videos and some of the processes that they follow, the chemicals they use. They recently released a video talking about bottles, specifically the press-all bottles that are sold by Obsessed Garage, and now I think Armor Detail Supply is selling them. I've heard about those bottles in the past. And they seem really cool. Like I love like that wide base. I love the look of them. They're really fancy. I'm sure they're a great bottle with a great sprayer. But the $20+ price tag is a real turnoff for me. I don't need my bottles to be that fancy. But it made me realize that probably a lot of people out there are searching for a good bottle, something better than what standard chemicals come in, right? And this is something I've been using for a while. So as you can see, I'm standing here at my Weber Genesis gas grill. Two of my hobbies are car detailing and also cooking and grilling. And years ago, I discovered this bottle right here. This is the Expert Grill spray bottle from Walmart, right? And obviously it's marketed towards, grillers and cookers and things like that. And so I bought a couple of these to use for my grill. But when I was using them, I was like, man, these would be amazing for car cleaning and other things too, right? Anything you really need a spray bottle for. So in Out of Specs video, he shows a bottle sold by CarPro, right? That costs, I think, about $7 or $8. And it's a nice bottle, right? I've actually used some of those. But the sprayer, which he specifically talks about as a great sprayer, is this exact sprayer right here. Like, now their handle is all black, but you can see it's got the same ridges as the CarPro bottles, right? It's the same sprayer, I'm telling you. The plastic on this thing, look. So first of all, it's got markings in both ounces and milliliters, which I love, right? And look at the quality of this plastic, guys. I'm going to try to put it against a dark background here so you can see. Like, I'm squeezing on this thing. The quality of this plastic is unreal, man. Like, really, really good. Like, I can bend it just a little bit, but that's it. So really good, high quality, clear plastic, great sprayer. Now, the kicker is $2.49. $2.49. Okay? Let's compare it real quick to this. You're all familiar with these types of spray bottles, right? So not bad, right? Like, I don't find this like super uncomfortable or anything. What annoys me, right, is that you've just got this type of sprayer, right? You've got like kind of the wide angle mist, right? Then you've got two off sections, right? And then you've got like the stream, right, which is the other side, right? So zero adjustability, right? These Expert Grill bottles, they are fully adjustable, just like the CarPro bottles. And I'll show you here in a second, right, that you can get a really nice mist, you can get a really strong stream, and everything in between, right? So it's fully adjustable. So my only real complaint about this is I would like for the trigger to be a little bit longer, but it's such a minor thing. It's such a minor thing. I don't even think about it, right? I'm just nitpicking here, right? I'm trying to find, something to complain about. But really, guys, for $2.49, this is unbelievable. So my cars are clean. I didn't want to spray something on a clean car when it wasn't necessary. So I'm going to demo this using my gas grill here, right? So this is some O&R quick detailer that I made up. These, brown paper labels are, just from Amazon, right? And so I stick these on the bottles that I use. And this is my favorite setting here, right? So this mist setting, and you'll get to see this. Boom, just a really nice mist, right? Not too much product, not too little. You can dial it in however you like, right? It's fully adjustable. And then I just come through, right, and we wipe it down, right? Not too much product, just the right amount. And yes, I use O&R on a lot of things. I use O&R to clean windows, to clean glass, to clean countertops, to clean my grill, right? But that's not what this video is about. So anyway, this is the Expert Grill bottle from Walmart. I've never seen it sold anywhere else. You can buy it online or in the store. I put a little label on it. That's totally up to you if you do that or not, right? But great little sprayer, great quality bottle, $2.49. Go get some.